Okay, so final example, example 9. In the diagram, triangle TPR is similar to triangle XPZ. Find the length of the altitude. Altitude is PS. So let's go into the problem, do all the same beginning stuff that I always have to do. Go to example 9, and we'll put the pointer on. Okay, so in the diagram, TPR is similar to triangle XPZ. That means TP, T to P, goes with X to P, and P to R goes with P to Z. And then we know T to R, first and third. That's going to be important. T to R, which has a length of 12, goes with X to Z, first to third here, which has a length of 16. So we know in the picture that these things need to be similar, that they are similar. And we know from what we just saw there, that in the previous slide, that any segments, because their lengths, are going to be similar if the shapes are similar. So the altitudes have to be similar as well. So that means PS is going to be similar to PY. Okay? They're going to go together. Okay? So let's do that right now. We know that PS has to go with PY. And we already know that PS is in this triangle on the left. So the piece we know is 12, which is TR, first and third, has to equal first and third, which is XZ, or this side is using this triangle. So we've got left triangle altitude to left triangle side equals right triangle, the right side triangle's altitude to the right triangle's, the right sided triangle's right side. Okay, so let's match that up. Let's put some numbers in. So what we get is PS, we don't know. We know TR is 12, and we know PY is 20, and we know X to Z is 16. So we need to cross multiply and do this, and so you're going to get 240. This is 240. This is 16 times PS. 16 times PS. So divide by 16, divide by 16, and you get PS equals, if I do that really quickly here, 240 divided by 16, you get 15 is the length of PS. So that's one way to do it with proportions. The other way to do it is to say, okay, if I have 16, what am I going to multiply by? So that's this side here to get this side. 16 times what gives you 12? So that's what we have to ask. So we divide by 16, and we get K equals, well, they can both be divided by 4, 3/4. That's our scale factor. So we're now going to do 20 times 3/4 equals P to S. So so we're going to do the altitude times the scale factor, and that will give you there. So what's 3/4 of 20? Well, that's 15. So you got the same answer. And this method to me seems faster as long as you know what to match up. But this method also works where you can set up a proportion. So I hope you figure out which of the two methods you like better.